Where's the other? Oh, the other baby's on the other side of her.
So that's the mother, the one in the middle there. The mother of those two of those little ones. She's the mother. You see the one on top of the giraffe is it's the sibling to that one working over there. And that's an uncle, that one over there. See there?
Mm-hmm.
That the young one is playing with the tail of the uncle.
Over there, yeah.
The uncle doesn't like it. So he's biting it. Yeah. So this male, he's 1 year younger than that one we saw earlier. But they are stepbrothers. So they share a father but different mothers.
Looks like he's gonna sneeze. Like a little baby's trying to catch his tail. Little one sleeping.
Pulling the uncle's tail. Now the little ones, they are still drinking milk, but they are also eating meat.
Mm-hmm. Excellent.
You still see the spots there on those little ones.
Oh, they're so precious.
And they were born, their spots were all over their body. Look at the paws. Beautiful. That one is bothering the uncle. It's pulling the uncle's tail. Doesn't want the uncle to relax. Now the little ones want to go and join him.
Uncle's so patient.
Now he saw something there. Maybe a grasshopper or something. Yeah, you see they're stalking each other.
Mm-hmm.
The mother of this little one is about 4 years old. She's 4. She's female.
Okay. Is he gonna go eat?
Normally it's not supposed to go there unless the mother is selected.